This is my 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. And tonight I'm gonna go camping in it. It's supposed to be -4 and we have a blizzard. Ski hill, but people go there to walk their dogs and stuff now. Go walk around little trails back here. But I'm gonna park my car and camp in it because there's no signs that says not to. Ski hill thing, and we're gonna park right in the corner, I guess. Yep, right there. So I just have like a little patio cushion at the bottom for my butt there, setting up my sleeping bag. I have just this little tiny hole, so I'm gonna have to sleep sideways, I think. This way. Shoelace. Stick that in there. I can do it all the way because it's hard to zip up. There. It's my bed. Oh, I forgot a pillow. But I'll use Avery's blanket, car blanket. So, there's my bed. Goes in there, into the trunk. Just for my butt there. Yeah. Not much space, but it'll do. Put my clothes to the front. I'm gonna have to put those on. So I'll show you what I brought with me. Oh, I have milk. I have a pop. My hat. Sleeping socks. Mitts, just in case. They're called Hot Hands Super Warmer Value Pack. Larger size, lasts 18 hours. Oh, there's 10. There's 10 in here. And then I have foot warmers. So yeah, that's what's gonna keep me warm. I have my water bottle. My little cook pot. We're gonna make my food. So it's a little container. Got some noodles. Some Indomie noodles. And pretty nice out. It's supposed to be a blizzard, but there's not much snow. It's like raining because it's so warm out. And look at my windows. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just fogging up. I need 400 milliliters of water. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're gonna boil. scared. I feel like something's watching me. Don't like it. Face my back towards the car. Windows are getting a little steamy. I don't want to get this everywhere. So you wash your hands when you're car camping. There we go, my little pot of noodles. Trust and believe, you go to Flavor Town, you eat these. You're gonna sleep like a baby. I hope. Well, that was good. Just gonna clean my dishes, wipe it off, clean it when I get home. Oh, well, that was good. I had to get my dishes clean now and put the propane tank away. That's cooled off. So I'm gonna go clean my pot. This one I think I can just wiped off. This is just. Whew. Well, now I'm cold. My hands are a little chilly. -2, 11:09. But time for me to head to bed. I'm gonna get all my extra layers on and my little hot packs. Get all cozied up in my little sleeping bag there. Well, it should be a good night. Okay, so I got extra sweater, extra pants, and ski pants. One boot. A second boot. There we go. Pants are on. Extra socks. Should I put my little feety things on? Yeah, let's try the feeties. How you work these? Just go like that. Air activates it. I'm doing the thick sock so it doesn't burn my feet. I got regular socks on already. Peel this off. Oops. Peel that off. Toss out your garbage. Attach it to the bottom of your foot. And I have this little thin sock. And it actually helps pull it towards my feet more. Oh yeah, that's nice and warm. Oh. There we go. Lock my doors so no one breaks in. No one's gonna break in this whole town though. No one would even tow my car while I'm parked here. I live in a very small town in northern Ontario. Nice town though. Really is a nice town. So yeah, no one will have any issues with me parked here. Well, I guess I'll put my sweater on. We'll see. We'll see. There we go. And I have my sleeping bag is all ready. Hopefully it stays focused this time. I got the heat cranked. I got my bag of hot packs. That's gonna go in the back with me in the trunk. My hat, that's gonna go in the back as well. Mitts, coat can stay in the back too. Leave that there. Just right there is good. Heat packs. Alright, I'm gonna hop in the back, I guess, and try and get comfy. I'm almost all tucked in. Got my hat and mitts to put on, turn off the light, and then off to bed. Well, I'm all tucked in. I can lay completely flat with more headspace up here. It's actually quite comfy. I have my ski pants on, my coat, a couple extra layers. I got those little hot packs on my feet. Fall asleep and make a coffee in the morning, and so I'll see you guys then. Good night, guys.
It's 5:30 in the morning. I woke up because I'm cold. Put on 3 little hot packs. But I'm gonna try and sleep for a bit. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it is cold. So, I got cold last night and I broke out 3 of these hot hands. The feet warmers suck. They work for like half an hour, maybe an hour, and then they get cold. It's 8 in the morning. It's like 8:10, and I feel like people are gonna come start walking back here. So I'm gonna go with my coffee, head home, and yeah. But that was cold. Oh. I'm gonna have to clean off my car. Oh, I don't want to get out. It's cold. Oh. I'm crawling into my sack. Oh. 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 Oh, my car is frosty in here. Well, coffee time. Oh, 3 hot hands. Those are actually still warm. Oh, snow in my car. Oh, let's go make some coffee. Put some boots on. Oh my god, there's all snow out here. Oh my god, look how much snow there is. Look how much snow's on my car. Well, it's a blizzard. I went car camping in my car. Wow. That's where I slept last night. My little kitchen area. my sleeping area. All the way back in there. Some water. Some milk. Got my little bag of coffee. Just let my car warm up so that it'll be a little bit easier to clean off my windows to go home. So this is like the old ski hill. So there's a big hill that goes all the way downhill. That's the old pulley system. I guess that pulls you up. I wish it was still up and running. It would be cool to see it still working at such an old age. There's like a little bird loop over there. There's a couple trails and power lines that go down that way. So yeah, not even one footprint from last night. Just me out here. Well, she's good enough. Ow. Burn my hand. Go. Amanda got me this for Christmas. Amanda and Amber got me this. Collapsible cup. Yep. Central Perk. In there. I don't know. My sleep was pretty good. The feet hot packs worked for about 40 minutes, an hour, and then they stopped working. I was able to tough it out till about 3 in the morning, and then I needed the hot packs for my body. They're actually still working from last night, and it's 8:30 now. I've been gone since 9:30 last night, so it's been almost 12 hours. So I went camping for about 12 hours in my car. It's pretty cool. And fun. -3, 8:30. A little bit of a blizzard. And then the reason why I don't like have like tent car shades is like I don't really do car camping. This is my first time. My car has tinted windows, so don't have to worry about people looking in but the front, but it's all full of snow. Like I said, no one's gonna be peeking in my window here. Just enjoying a nice cup of hot coffee. Looking at this little blizzard. Barely a blizzard. I wouldn't call it a blizzard, but I guess it's a blizzard. Windows are all cleaned off now. Off we go. Home to see my baby. I'm coming, little Avery. I'm coming. Well, that was fun. I hope you liked my video, and stay tuned for the next one. Like, subscribe, and comment.